up, my soul squad? What's up, my soul squad, my YouTube family? Guess what, guys? I am at it again. We are doing what? A fried chicken video. My mom is here with me. She wanted some fried chicken. People keep asking me, can you do another fried chicken video? So guess what? I am doing fried chicken video today, my way, in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy this fried chicken meal. With nothing else to be said, let's go cook some fried chicken. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do, my chicken has been cleaned and washed and seasoned. Now, y'all know I got my own seasoned flour, but we're not using that today. I'm taking you back to the way I used to fry chicken. Before I came up with this seasoned flour thing, I got my chicken that been sitting with this seasoning right here. Is the room temperature. Remember, when you take your chicken out the freezer, the refrigerator, you clean it, clean it, season it, set it to the side for a good 20 minutes. You want to be at a good room temperature before you start frying. I got my flour in my sandwich bag. You can put it in a paper bag, a freezer bag. And what I'm going to do is that get some good fried chicken. You got to season chicken. You got to season that flour. You got to make sure that flour is on point, guys. So season your flour. Garlic powder, onion powder. Put something in it. You want to make it work. You want a good flour. You want your flour to taste flavorful. Everything when you cook is all about season, guys. It's about season. And you got to make that season work for you. Now, look at me. A little bit of pepper. Put my season back to the side. And to give your flour an extra boost, extra chicken, an extra crunch, an extra boost, I throw in a little bit cornstarch. It makes your chicken crunchy. They say, oh, you don't need all that extra stuff. You know how to fry chicken. I know how to fry chicken, but it's something that I learned over the years to use with my flour. So I place it in there, and I'm gonna shake it up. You want your flour seasoned, and you want your chicken seasoned. Now my grease is cooking. I decided to go with deep fried today. With this meal, guys, we are doing some fried chicken legs, broccoli and cheese, rice with gravy and onions. Life can't get no better than that. All right. Look at my chicken. Had it soaked up all the seasonings. And this is not even dinner. This is lunch for my family today. Lunch. Look at that. That's how you want it. The chicken is warm. The flavors are all in there. Let me wash my hands. We're going to come back, throw the chicken inside the flour, and place it in the deep fryer. Alright guys, I'm taking my chicken legs, picking them up by the drumsticks, by the legs, the tip of them, throwing them in my bag. Remember, that chicken is seasoned and that flour is seasoned. What I'm going to do is shake it up. Shake it up. And even though the chicken is seasoned, the flour is seasoned, you're getting more season in the flour from the chicken. See all that season on the bag? It's integrating into the flour as well. Okay, ready to do what? We ready. See, I already got my broccoli back there cooking, guys. And the rice is right here. I cleaned the rice off. I'm about to drop that 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. We're going to get this chicken on first. And watch this. It's ready. The grease is hot. I'm going to go in there. I'm only doing 3 pieces in here. Because this is a little deep fried, and I want the chicken to submerge and cook. But look at that. When that come up out of that grease, it's going to be what? Amazing. We're not even going to cut the camera off right now. Because guess what? That's cooking. That's cooking. Let's get our rice on. The rice been clean and washed. And I'm going in with what? A cup of rice and 2 cups of water. We're going to get that on the stove. You got to multitask. Always, my stove, y'all been knowing which one is which. I can now turn this stove on. There we go. On a medium high, the rice is cooking. Let me season up my broccoli. You don't want your broccoli to taste like water. Get your seasonings in there. Get that broccoli seasoned. Yes. There we go. And it's that quick, that simple. We're going to cook all this food. It's going to all come together. I'm going to show you guys how to make that gravy and onions. Remember, my kitchen, your way? No, my kitchen, my way. Your kitchen, your way. We'll be back when it's time for some more chicken. What's up, so far? I am back. I just wanted to bring you guys back in to see where I'm at so far. My broccoli is actually done. It's just, I remember, I got a large family. I had to add some more broccoli to that. You know what I'm saying? And the rice is almost done. This is what the chicken is doing. This is what I got cooking right here. Look at this chicken. I love using the deep fry. Chicken golden brown. That chicken cooking. Look at that. So when we come back, guys, we're going to be what? Making the gravy and the onions. Put some cheese on this broccoli. This rice, I'm about to cut it off. And yeah, I got about 3 more pieces of chicken to cook. And they're going to be eating good up in this house today. So we got broccoli and cheese, rice, gravy, and onions, and some good old fried chicken. You can't ask for anything better than that. Oh, okay. I'm finished. You can show us some more. Okay, guys, I am done. Look at my chicken. I got about 3 tablespoons of butter right here. Look at this broccoli over there. I got about 3 tablespoons of butter right there. Check out my rice. Came out so nice and fluffy. And now what I'm doing, I'm making that gravy and onions. Not a lot of onions, but just enough to make everything flavorful. Like again, like I said, I got 3. I always gotta make myself have something. 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of butter. I like cooking my gravy in butter. We're gonna let that saute just a little bit. Y'all know I won't be doing this. I don't do nobody's onions, but you know, gotta feed the family. My family love to eat, child. We're gonna let that just get a little bit soft. A little bit translucent. I'm going to put up these onions right here. We're going to come back with some flour seasoned water. That gravy going to come together, honey. Oh, here's some more onions right there. Guys, look at those onions. You don't want no raw onions on top of your rice, do you? You want them to cook a little bit, look a little bit good, y'all. Now, y'all got to excuse my fan. I told y'all, when my kitchen get a certain temperature, my heater sauce on my microwave automatically come on. So I hope you guys can still hear me. I'm about to turn my stove down to a low. I'm putting it on a medium. I'm going in with some flour. About 3 tablespoons, just like I did with the butter. Not a whole lot. And just like any good flour, you want to season that flour, guys. You want your gravy to have what? Taste to it. Again, everything's about flavor and seasoning. You want that gravy to have taste, because guess what? It's going on top of what? Your rice. And you know, don't over season it. I'd rather under season anything, because a person can always go and add their seasoning to their food. Oh, I gotta redo. You know what I'm saying? And this is just the typical seasons that I use. The onion powder, the garlic powder, and stuff like that. We're gonna let it just do just like that. Get the flavors up in there. About 2 minutes. You want to get that flour taste up out of there. You don't want your gravy to do what? Taste like flour. So we're gonna let this come around here and just cook for a second. Let me move this table out of my way a little bit with this good old fried chicken. Man, damn. That pan's too little for the stove. I really got to sit it up right. And this thing did it. Just want to cook that flour out. You want to cook that flour out, guys. Alright. And with my water. At this point, you can use chicken broth, whatever you want to use, but I'm using water because I'm going to flavor this. The flavor is going to come through. Look at that. And remember, always taste your gravy. That way you know whether or not what it's tasting like. You know, whether or not you need more water. You can make a thick gravy. I'm not making a lot because everybody don't get down with the onions. And if you want a darker gravy, you can use some browning. You can let this cook a little bit more before you add the water. But I'm not down to too much of a dark gravy. Look at this. This looks good. What we're going to do, guys, we're going to let this cook. It's going to get thick. And we're going to come back and we're going to do what? We're going to plate. And this video will be over with. Look at that. Alright, so Squad, are you ready to plate this plate? Okay, my mom being who she is, she loved these Pillsbury honey biscuits. I had to throw her some in the oven. So we got the Pillsbury honey biscuits that's going on this plate. Sit that over there, my man. I got my nice, beautiful, look at this rice. Fluffy rice. I put butter in it. It's so nice and fluffy. Look at that. Some of y'all thought this rice was going to be slimy, didn't you? Nah, buddy. Look at that rice. Came out perfect. Came out perfect, right? And then, I got to make my mom's her broccoli and cheese. She loves her broccoli and cheese, guys. So I got to do her broccoli and cheese her way. I like a more steamed broccoli. My mom grew up, she liked her broccoli kind of like really cooked, overcooked. And this is what she wanted. So guess what? I'm doing it for her way. Going down with the chicken. The chicken came out beautiful, nice and crispy. And guess, look at this gravy. I put it in my gravy bowl. I don't use this gravy bowl that much. I got this gravy bowl. That's some onions from my, look at them onions, y'all. My sister-in-law mother from Ross. There you go. Broccoli and cheese, fried chicken, gravy and onions. Who want that plate? You can't have it. But guess what? If you follow the recipe, it could be yours tonight in your home, guys. This is a fried chicken dinner. Can't get more than that. Until next time, like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to notify. I'm out tomorrow. Oh my God. I'm out, Soul Squad. It's tomorrow's video coming up. Turn me soon.